First video with the new desk. You can probably tell that by the really poor paint edges. Yes, I'm literally halfway through finishing up the brand new filming desk. Hang on, let's just pan out a bit. Yeah, it's a bit bigger than last time. I've accidentally chipped some paint. Yeah. So hopefully this video is going to be good. Hopefully the sound's pretty good. It's quite echoey in this. And today we actually have two of these 16 car black boxes to unbox. I'm going to be doing both in this video because they're both the iCase, and I'm really hoping that we get that Supra in this, or one of these boxes. I mean, I'm happy to get two, obviously, but let's not get too far ahead of myself. I'll quickly, we'll do the front one first. So, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video. I can't wait to get stuck into these. As you can tell by the fact I've just rushed straight into it with the desk half done, but it's taking ages. Right, first box. What are we going to get? Hopefully some new stuff, because actually for once these might be ahead of the in-store cases, because we haven't had some new stuff in a long time. So first of all, new stuff. We have a 62 Corvette gasser with the Holly decals. Look at that. That's really cool. Part of the Hot Wheels gassers. That's number 3. Next up we have Porsche 911 GT3, part of the Hot Wheels exotics. That's really nice. That's number 2 of 10. I hope the lighting's alright as well. I've got one small light for one big desk. Next up, Honda Civic Custom. That's really nice actually. Hot Wheels drag strips, number 7 out of 10. Hot Wheels logo on there. That's pretty cool looking actually. Right, next up we got the Pontiac Firebird. Now that's interesting because I've seen this colour variation in Asda recently. A bit of dust, and actually the card's a bit worn there, but I suppose it's been battered around a bit. So it's interesting. I wonder if Asda did get these in at one point. That was the only telltale sign. Oh god. Oh, what have they done to the twin wheel? Oh no. There's a Toon series. Nice. Okay, what's this? Honda Super Cub Custom. Pretty cool. New for 2023 up there. That's quite nice. This is part of the Hot Wheels Moto. This looks pretty cool. What is this? The Celero GT. New for 2023, part of the Hot Wheels Exotics. That is crazy looking. That is really awesome. And finally, we have the Batman animated series, one of the Batmobiles, in a purple finish. Pretty cool looking. Well, pretty strong. Actually, some pretty good stuff in there. No treasure hunts or supers just yet. Right, what we got next? We have the Count Muscular with the it says a special feature. Probably the front splitter will open and close. Yeah, front splitter is adjustable. Very cool. It's part of the Muscle Mania series. Very nice. It was 55. Next up, we have a Lucid Air, part of the Factory Fresh series. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, if you see any paint on my hand, I'm very good at getting paint everywhere except for where I need to paint. I've actually seen one of these as well in the Asda, so they must have got some of the new stuff, but they only had it on the strips. This is the Sweet Driver. Yeah, a bit of a weird one. It's like a cupcake car. Yeah, I don't know. Not for me. Not for me. Next up, Ford Sierra Cosworth. Nice. That's pretty awesome. Hot Wheels graphics livery, number 1 out of the Hot Wheels 80s series. Very nice. This has been recoloured a few times, but that's a very nice coloration. Oh, okay. No Supra in this one. We have the tuned Chevy Silverado. Again, it's part of the Hot Trucks. Really? Not for me. We have this, the Mustang SVO, part of the 80s series. This is nice. Wow, that's very cool looking. I've got to say, I love the arrows with the chrome finish. That looks sweet. Nice black and the green and grey stripes on there. That's pretty awesome looking. Then we have this, the Mercedes-Benz Unimog, the heavy rescue service. Do you like the kind of... I like the decals on that, that's pretty cool, I like the colours. And this is part of the Hot Wheels haulers. And finally for this box, I've seen this as well actually, we have the custom Camaro, part of the Hot Wheels art cars. And this has kind of the Camaro sort of sketches, like blueprints for the Camaro on there. That's really cool looking. Oh, nice. Well, there we are. That's one box out of the way. Oh, there was no Super. There wasn't even the regular Super in that. Oh, well, that'd be a shame if they haven't put that in there. I've been seeing a lot of posts of people finding them in the store. I'm getting really jealous. I really want that. I just want to find a Super so bad. It's been years. They are very nice. They're very cool. And yeah, so what I'll jump. What I want to do is quickly count that there is 16. I don't know why I'm counting, but I will count. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah, there's 16. So I'll stack these up to the side quickly. This is when I find out the paint isn't fully dry and I end up covering all these cards in white paint. Right, stack all those cards up the side, out the way there, and let's get the second box. Now, I thought I'd do these together because last time I did 2 boxes, I did the G case, and they had both got the same exact cars in. I really hope that was just luck of the draw, and this will not be exactly the same. It looks exactly the same. Oh no. Yeah, it's exactly the same. There's those 3. There's the Honda. There's those... the bike. And the twin mill tuned. Here we have the Celero GT. I have to check. I'm assuming that is... I'm not sure if that's a fantasy car or not. I mean, it's cool either way. But I'm actually unsure. Designer Hot Wheels. See, it's interesting. They actually have like a little bit of text on detail for that car there. Put the pedal to the metal and rev the mid-mounted fire-spitting engine to speed through the intersection of old romantic styling and modern aero technology. Yeah, we don't get that on our international cards. That's pretty cool. So we got the McCount Muscular and the Lucid Air. These are like identical again. Nothing at all different. Oh, that's a bit annoying, isn't it? Yeah, I ordered 2 of these absolutely ages ago in the hopes they would have the Mark III Super in. I don't have either. So that's going to be one to try and keep an eye out for, isn't it? Oh no, that's going to be really hard to find. Oh man, this is... what a shame, eh? Well, well, well. Okay, so I've just arranged them a little bit so we can have a better look. We'll focus up there, please. Thank you. So, yeah, well, there we are. Pretty cool to get some of the new cars. It's actually, well, it's cool to see some new stuff. It's been quite a few months over here of just literally having the same case repeatedly over and over again, if there even is any case on the pegs. But that's a bit of a shame, really. Obviously, either I've just got very unlucky and I've got the same case twice over, twice in a row, or they are just putting the same cars in each box. But that's kind of weird because then if they're not putting the regular of the Super in, what's being replaced, you know? Surely they just put the regular of the Super in, and then when the Super goes in, it just replaces what the regular would have been. So where does the Super fit? You know, what car do they remove to put the Super in is what I'm sort of getting at. I wouldn't be as disappointed if I'd actually got the regular of that car, because I think it's a cool casting and I really want to get hold of it. But yeah, I don't know, I'm starting to get a little bit starting to think these boxes aren't quite the best, because this set me back quite a bit of money. I've been waiting for it for months. Got really excited as per usual, and I just ended up with just shite. You know, these are just absolute dog. They're just dog. I don't want these. I know I got loads of them. I'm not really into that. I'm not into that. That's shit. don't like electric stuff, so yeah, don't really like that. I mean, that's okay. We've seen that recoloured multiple times, we've seen that recoloured multiple times. I'm not interested that much in them. They're okay, I suppose. So I'm sort of at the end left with, I mean, what would I have bought if I saw it in store? Well, I guess I would have bought, being honest with you guys, if I saw this case in store, they're the cars I would have purchased. Obviously there's a case of 72, there's a few more cars going to be in the main case, or the mainline case, that I want. Namely, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the Supra. I mean, these cases are a little bit odd because they didn't start with the A case. It doesn't relate to the same letter case that's coming in the main lines. They're sort of an in-between, it's a bit weird. But yeah, so I would have got, what, 5 cars? So 5 cars out of 30 bloody 2, because I don't really need duplicates of all of these. So yeah, I hate to end this on a bit of a salty note, and I hate to get a bit irate about it. But yeah, 'tis the case. I do feel a little bit cheated out of my money. Problem is I bought the 2 G cases, and then I ordered these before the G cases arrived. Then the G cases arrived, and they're both the same. I thought, oh no, I've already ordered these. I should have cancelled one, but I was hoping to get a couple of the Supra and maybe even a Super treasure hunt, but obviously not happening. So I thought I'd take a little break. I went over and had a look at the Amazon reviews. People were saying that the I case was listed for a while as the J or something. There's a bit of a mix-up. I do believe this is the I case we have here, but you know, it is what it is. We have got a few awesome cars here, but I'm going to make the thing and say I wouldn't recommend buying multiple of these unless you've got the money to burn, really. If you're hoping to find a Super and money isn't as much of an object, I guess it's worth a go. For my case, I'm not going to be buying 2 of these anymore. Like I've said before, these are cheaper than buying them in a store. I think it comes to about £2.10 per car. Ordering them over. That's including, you know, all the extra taxes, and the new fun one is getting non-sterling transaction fee come out of my bank, just because of the fact I bought them from America, even though Amazon says it deals with all the transfers, and apparently you pay it in our currency as well. Clearly it doesn't in the end. So yeah, a bit annoying. But yeah, they're still cheaper than buying them in the store, but then again, I've bought probably 20 odd cars that I wouldn't have bought normally anyway. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have all enjoyed. I'll apologise a bit if I do sound a bit salty, but you know, I spent ages trying to rush through painting all this to sort of get this to some presentable level, and these boxes, let's just say I did get my hopes a little bit too high for that Supra. Yeah, I can't stand these tuned cars. Is it just me that just can't stand this stuff? It probably is. But yeah, I apologise for that. Of course, also, let me know what you think about the new setup, what you think I should do. I'm still not set on what I'm doing yet. I might just paint this white. I don't know, it just doesn't seem to be the best. I might put the posters back up. I probably will put the posters back up as well, but and I'm going to get a massive, really big light box to go up here, so hopefully you won't get these glary lines on the cars anymore. But if you have any ideas or thoughts on this setup, do be sure to let me know down below. Any suggestions will be great. I'm thinking of putting some like backing in here to hold the cars up as well. Yeah, I mean it's all this sort of empty space ready for the ideas to flow into. But I just want to get it somewhat ready for filming now. Next step is to just paint this white, paint many layers of white so that this doesn't happen, and then neaten up the edges, and then we'll go from there. Oh, I need to mount that because that doesn't sound very good when that happens. But anyway, be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think of the packs, what you think of the desk, and if you've got any suggestions as well. But thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.